So welcome to my screen, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a MetaTrader 4 account for your Exness. It's the same process also applies to MetaTrader 5. So watch closely as I'm opening the account. So I'm going to click on the create new account right here. So I'm going to select real account. You not want to select demo account. So I'm going to click on real account. Normally it's set on MT5. So you're going to select the accounts that you want to open. We have the standard account, the pro account, the raw spread account, and the zero account. But I want to open an MT4 account because in case some people want to use a standard cent account. So you're going to click on this setting menu over here and select MT4 account and click on the confirm button here. So here is the account type. You have the standard account, the standard cent account, and the pro account, and the raw spread account, and so on. So this process is the same thing for both MT4 and MT5. So you're just going to pick the type of account you want. I want to click on the standard account, but if you have maybe like a $10 or less than $50 account, you can go for a standard cent account. It will be best for you. So I'm going to open a standard account. I'm going to click on continue. So I'm going to click my currency. I'm going to choose my currency. It's already on USD. So in case you don't want to put it on USD, you can click here and select the currency you want to use. But I want to leave my own on USD. I'm going to select my leverage. So I'm going to click a leverage of 1:500 and click on OK and put in my account nickname. I'm going to put he's Michael. Alright, here's Michael and click on continue. So I'm going to put in my trading password. This trading password is the password you use to open your Exness account. So just remember that it starts with a capital letter. So I'm going to put my password here. So I'm going to click on OK. So here it is. I have created my MT4 account, my trading account for MT4. As you can see, it's showing MT4 over here, and it's showing that it's a standard account and is a real account. So all I just need to do now is deposit and link it to my MetaTrader 4 and start trading. It's as easy as that. So I'm going to show you how you are going to link it to your MT4. To link it to your MT4, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're just going to click on this hamburger menu, this list kind of icon here that says details. You're going to click on it. Then you go to your settings. You go to your settings over here. Then you take note of this server, the server and the login. Please note the server that was assigned to you. Mine is Exness Real 20. So you just have to copy this server and the login, which I'm going to use to log into your MT4 account. The same thing goes for MT5. There's no difference in it. I'm going to click on my own. So I'm going to copy this server right here and my password. I'm going to go to my MT4 account. So I'm right here on my MT4 account. So I'm going to click on this icon over here that said quotes, and it says here manage accounts. So I'm going to click on manage accounts. So here it is saying demo because I just opened this account not recently for the sake of this video. So you just have to, all you have to do now is to click on this plus sign over here. So you click on the plus sign. It said log into existing account. So you click on log into existing account here. So once you click on log into existing account, then you search for your broker. So I'll search for Exness. I'll search for Exness. So it's going to bring out your broker. So here it is. So I'm just going to search for the server that was assigned to you. Mine was Exness Real 20. Mine was Exness Real 20. So I'm going to look for Exness Real 20 over here. Exness Real 20. Or I can just even search it manually here. I can just search it over here. So here it is, Exness Real 20. So I'm going to click on Exness 020. So I'm going to put in my login. So that login that is in your that they've given you in your Exness app, this is your login. I'm going to copy it. You're going to copy it. Once you copy it, you come over here and you paste your login. Paste your login details and your password. That is your password for your Exness. So I'm going to input my password over here. Remember, it always starts with a capital letter. So, and I'm going to click on sign in. It said save password automatically. I'm going to save the password. So here it is. My account have been connected. As you can see, it shows his Michael. You can see his detail, and normally if it's not done properly, to show you connecting or no connection. But as you can see, everything is functioning properly and it's functioning well. So we come to the end of this video, and I appreciate if you like this video, and if you have any comments, you can drop it in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.